Only slight problem with calling her that is going into primary schools trying to explain Aurora Borealis to 5 and 6-year-olds. So that was a bit of a nightmare. But solve that problem by when we go into schools, we tell the children that teachers in the next lesson will explain what Aurora Borealis is. So my teacher got 6 weeks off now, so I've got loads of time off. You might as well give me something to do then really, so all the time off they've got. So that's what we do then with her. So she goes lots of different schools, lots of different places, and flies in. So the owls then use their hearing to hunt and to find their food, but we're lucky with this one. I don't think she's ever really not worked out where I am. The spectacled owl that we flew earlier on sometimes can't work out where I am at shows with my voice coming out of all different speakers. But this one, she does just watch me, especially after 6 years of doing it. She does watch me, so the owl's best sense is its hearing. Her ears are just holes in the side of her head, behind her eyes, and they actually have ears that are offset. So they have one ear that's in line with their eye on one side of their head, the other one is underneath their eye on the other side. So sounds that they hear get to their ears at slightly different times. And they can then pinpoint exactly sound of her prey creeping on through the bushes, and then she can fly down and catch it. And then majority of owls are silent in flight. So if they're silent, they can then hear their prey moving around, and then hopefully prey can't hear them coming at all then. Right then, you coming over then?
Where's she gone? Down there, she don't come to
So yeah, obviously that's one thing the owls are known for, is obviously turning their heads around, but their eyes are fixed in their sockets. They're always looking forwards. They can't move their eyes at all, so that's why they turn their head round. But every other bird can, whereas another bird of prey, or a pigeon, or a crow, all birds can actually turn their heads all the way around, like that. But people think about it more so with owls than with anything else.
You like that owl? Yeah, but they don't live as pets.
Come on then.
She's not going to do as she's told. She said she wants to stay there. Crash landing.
They're coming that way. She's coming with the wind, and she jumped in the bath this morning, so her tail is absolutely soaking wet. So she's struggling, aren't you? A little bit then. Right then. So what we're going to do with her then, if anybody wants to, we can give you a mouse's eye view of an owl. Then. So if anybody wants to come back out, adults again as well as children, what we need to do this time is to sit down in 2 lines with your legs out, and she's going to fly over your legs. So if anybody wants to come out, then, so we need 2 lines up here then. So sit down with your legs out then. You need to kind of quite straight lines.
Look at all these kids. Yeah.
I'll give you that one. Right then. So hopefully then she's going to fly over your legs. She might fly over your heads. So we said earlier on, exactly the same then. What you will hear earlier on. So what you've got to do is put your hands over your mouth in case she poos on the way over.
Move over again a bit further.
Owls don't poo on the fly, just keep them quiet. It won't quite well. Right then, okay then. So we're going to try and go twice back to me. But obviously she's got to go up there to start with. So she's going twice over you and twice back to me. You see it?
Oh, look, there she goes.
So naturally then, they get quite low to the ground. It takes lots of energy for a bird to flap its wings and fly. So if they can glide and fly without flapping the wings, they can save energy.
What? Back she comes.
All right, then. Some of you want to wait to sit down. That one didn't work, that one's free. No, try the other one. Hang on. Right then, go one more time then, girl. Let's concentrate. So with the owls then, they can start to slow up quite a bit. All her food goes into her gizzard, goes down to her stomach. So as she flies, she gradually gets fuller and fuller and fuller. The hawk, as she was flying, all the food goes into something called a crop, which is a little pouch in their throat. So while they're flying, they don't realise they're actually eating anything. Right, you ready then? Right. Aurora. Come on then. Aurora. She's such a nosy owl, this thing. So she's actually been really, really quick for her today. When we fly her at the centre, she's always looking up into the garden centre. Next door, a few years ago, re-roofed their log store, and they put a stone owl on top of their log store. She always stares at the stone owl for a couple of minutes every time she flies. It's not moved in 5 years, but she always stares at that stone owl. So it's very, very nosy owl. Right, you ready then? All right. You actually have lost me now, haven't you? Aurora. Aurora!
Listening. Oh, now she's listening.
First time you ever lost me.
Coming. Woo.
Yeah, excellent then. Dan, very much then. If you want to go back, back out. Right, then, good, yeah. So yeah, until I just turned the microphone off, but she did actually manage